Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth devices. First, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your main device, like a phone or computer. Then, position both devices within a 10-meter radius for the best signal. It's also a good idea to ensure both gadgets are fully charged. This prevents unexpected disconnections during the pairing process, ensuring a smooth setup from the start. Next, activate pairing mode on your Bluetooth accessory. This often involves pressing and holding a specific button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. On your main device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and initiate a scan for new devices. Once your accessory appears in the list, simply tap or click on its name to start the connection. You're almost there. After selecting your device, you should see a confirmation message on your screen or a steady indicator light on the accessory. If the connection doesn't establish, don't worry. A common fix is to restart both your main device and the Bluetooth gadget. Sometimes, removing old, unused pairings from your device's memory can also clear up any interference, making way for a fresh connection. To ensure the best experience, always keep your device's operating system and Bluetooth drivers updated. This helps maintain compatibility and performance. Try to minimize physical barriers, like walls or large objects, between your connected devices, as they can weaken the signal. When you're finished using a Bluetooth accessory, remember to properly disconnect it to save battery life on both ends. Enjoy your wireless freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.